Today's technical term is circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is design pattern typically used in the modern distributed systems. In the old way, when in-memory calls happens, it's not so complex. But in the modern distributed systems, if you want to finish one task, typically you need to involve other systems. However, those systems give you a failure or a timeout and doesn't respond to you, that may actually result in certain cascading failure. And this circuit breaker is design pattern try to prevent this catastrophic cascading failures. To implement it is quite straightforward. Essentially, you have a caller, you have the circuit breaker model, and then have it to wrap around certain function model. And the circuit breaker model can monitor in that function model. If it monitor a lot of failures or have say timeout happens, once those count reach to a certain threshold, and then those circuit breaker will goes into this tripped status. Then any caller goes into a circuit breaker model will immediately receive an error status. You typically have a monitoring service monitor circuit breaker. Once trip status happens, you will actually receive notification immediately. A more advanced way would be the circuit breaker model itself has self-monitoring. If the underlying function model goes back to normal status, it will automatically goes back to the normal status, allow any further call happens.